habang pa-exit ako dito, ayun, nakita ko yung ano ng Tongchong Fort. So, doon pala. Punta nga ako. Chiklapkok New Village, Tipo New Village. Tipo pala, hindi typo. So, doon pala yung way papunta ng Tongchong Fort. Whew, nakalimutan ko yung payong ko. Natanaw yung cable car ko papunta ng Ngongpeng. Sabi sa aking Google, malapit na ako sa Tongchong Fort. Yung Leipei Substation. Saan ba yun? Ayan na guys, nakita ko na Tongchong Fort, Lohon Temple, Shikmun Cup, 30 minutes. Ayan, dito pala. Turn left, Mansarovar Restaurant. Dito sa taas. Ayan, kita ko. Ayan, dito yun yung ano, Tongchong Fort. Ayan, ito yung restaurant, Mansarovar menu. Ito yung Tongchong Fort sitting out area. Ito na siya. So, pasok. Ayan, declared monument Tongchong Fort on Lantau Island, 1843. Tongchong Rural Community. Ayan. Ito parang hindi gaano napapasyalan ito. Kaya tahimik ang lugar. Ayan. Oh, pwede palang pumunta sa taas. Ayan. Ito yung mga canyon. Tinanong ko kung pwedeng aakyat. Pwede pala. Ito oh. Meron pala dito sa Tongchong Fort. Hindi gaano napapasyalan oh. Meron pa doon. Tongchong Fort is a declared monument and our valuable heritage. Let's treasure it. May nag-iensayo kasi. Nakatingin sila sa akin. Tongchong Canyon. The remnants. Sa taas may lady guard sa babae. Oh, I see. Ganyan pala dito. Okay. Ganyan pala siya sa taas niya. Ikot oh. The Tongchong Fort here at Tongchong. See, hanggang doon sa taas niya, and then dito at least may taga-bantay. Wow, parang nasa ano ako, saan ba yun, sa China? Hoop. Yan, ganun pala dito. Oh, tuloy ang pag-akyat. Hop. I see. Ay, ganito pala dito. Hmm. Okay to ah. Yan ah. Hop, tanaw na tanaw yung cable cars. Ang ganda ng araw ngayon pero sobrang mainit. Buti na lang dito lang ako gumala. Pagkatapos ko doon sa Wonglonghang Stream, dito naman ako sa Tongchong Fort. Sa kabila din yung Tongchong Battery eh. Magkahiwalay Tongchong Fort at Tongchong Battery. Yung isa na canyon. So, yung isa hanggang dito ako kanina tapos umikot na ako. Ayan. Oh. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 6 na canyon. Hop, ayan. Pasukin ko nga to. Tongchong Battery. Oo, meron din ang Tongchong Battery. Nakita ko sa map. Hawong Temple. Tin Hau Kung. Ayun yung nakita ko doon sa Wonglonghang. Hawong Temple. Ito siya. Din Tongchong Battery. Doon sa kabila ito eh. 1980. Views of the battery after restoration. It was gazetted as a declared monument on November 11, 1983. Undergone several major repairs, the latest one being in 1988. This was full restoration. Exhibition center is now open for public viewing. In the past, it had once been the police station of the Hong Kong government. During the Japanese occupation 1941-1945, the fort had once been occupied by soldiers of the invasion force. There are 6 muzzle-loading cannon, each resting on a cement base in the main wall. Ito siya yung nadaanan ko kanina. Cannon on the north wall. Tongchong Bay viewed over the top of the north wall in 1989. Tongchong Fort Gazette on 24th August 1979 is protected under the Antiquities and Monuments Ordinance. Ayan, inscription besides Kong Chen on the main gate stating that the fort was built in the 12th year of Dao Guang. And this is how it looks like, the Tongchong Bay in 1989. Records from Guangdong Annals describing the batteries built at Tongchong Ho. Ganyan pala noon ang Tongchong. Relics in Tongchong. Situated at the entrance of the Pearl River estuary, Lantau Island had long been of strategic importance in the past, especially during the Qing dynasty. According to records from Guangdong Annals, in the 22nd year of the Jia Qing reign, 1817, Viceroys Chiang Yotian and Yuan Yuan proposed to build 8 guards houses at Tongchong Ho and 2 batteries at the foot of the rocky Lion Hill at Tongchong Ho, which is Tongchong on the north of Lantau Island today. Ganyan pala. Kaya pala magkahiwalay yung itong Tongchong Fort at saka yung Tongchong Battery sa kabila. parang hindi ko mapuntahan yung Tongchong Battery. Tignan natin. So dito naman sa kabila, ito siya. Ano ito? Historical background. Ang dami yung mga history. Ayan. The conclusion, Tongchong has a long story with many old buildings and traditions customs. It has developed rapidly in recent years. With nearby entertainment facilities, it attracts many local and overseas visitors. In the future, more and more social and entertainment facilities will be built in Tongchong. With well-designed town planning, the new town and the rural area of Tongchong will continue to interact and combine to form a new and attractive environment. Yan. Lohon Monastery, Hong Kong Disneyland, Lantau Link, Hong Kong International Airport, Social Services, Development of Rural Administration, festivities. Yan yung tayo. Ganyan pala noon. Livelihood of peasants. Ganyan pala. Ito yung Tongchong Battery sa kabila. Nakita ko sa map. Google Map. Lime kiln of Tang Dynasty. Field trip. Ayan. Palakin pala yan. Ganyan. The remnants of Tongchong. At ako'y aalis na. Mabait naman yung lady guard. Ayan, so doon ako galing sa Tongchong Fort. Lakad ako ng konti. Nandito ako ngayon sa bridge, footbridge. Doon yung cable car.